60% of soil in South Africa is unarable because it is lacking the organic matter. I'm Himkaar Singh from the Compost Kitchen. The Compost Kitchen is an organic waste recycling business in Johannesburg. I started it because we wanted to repair the soil so that we can improve the state of food security in South Africa. The way it works is we collect food waste, then we take it through a composting process which involves earthworms, and then we give the vermicompost back to customers so that they can grow food in their gardens again. That way we are completing the cycle of food waste in one model. It contributes to the food security crisis by improving the health of soil and therefore the health of plants. The Compost Kitchen was recognized by the United Nations, and that made me feel confident that we are on the right path. Knowing that this idea has contributed to creating a community of people who are environmentally conscious feels fulfilling because we know we're doing work that the world is urgently needing.